Harnessing ChatGPT for Profit. Introduction, Understanding. ChatGPT 1, Content Creation and Freelance Writing 2, Social Media Management 3, Online Tutoring and Course Creation 4, Chatbot Development 5, E-Commerce Product Description 6, Writing eBooks 7, Affiliate Marketing Content 8, Content Curation and Newsletter Creation 9, Language Translation Services 10, Creative Writing and Short Stories. Finding new ways to earn a consistent source of income has become a concern for many people in today's quickly expanding digital economy. Using artificial intelligence and machine learning technology is one path that has received a lot of attention. ChatGPT, a strong language model created by OpenAI, has proven to be a useful tool for a variety of applications, including assisting with daily income generation. In this complete article, we will look at how you may use ChatGPT to make money on a daily basis. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge language model that understands and generates human-like prose using deep learning techniques. It can converse, answer questions, compose essays, create content, and even help with problem solving. This intrinsic capacity opens up a universe of revenue possibilities. Offering content production services is one of the simplest methods to gain daily cash with ChatGPT. Businesses and people are constantly in need of high-quality articles, blog posts, social media content, and other forms of content. You can give well-researched and entertaining content on a variety of themes by exploiting ChatGPT's text creation capabilities. Platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer provide opportunities to display your skills and secure writing jobs. With the development of social media, brands are always looking for new methods to engage their customers and maintain an active online presence. ChatGPT can help you create fascinating social media posts, design interesting captions, and even schedule posts ahead of time. As brands require consistent content updates, providing social media management services can convert into a daily income stream. Education is changing, and online learning is becoming increasingly popular. You can use ChatGPT's expertise to provide online tutoring services in disciplines such as mathematics, physics, languages, and any other specialized sector. You may also use ChatGPT to produce course content and materials and sell them on marketplaces such as Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable. Chatbots are being integrated into websites and applications across sectors to improve customer service and assistance. You may utilize ChatGPT to create unique chatbots that provide essential assistance to users. You can establish a consistent daily cash stream by charging firms for your chatbot creation services. For those who engage in online commerce, writing captivating product descriptions can have a big impact on sales. Creating engaging, educational, and compelling product descriptions with the help of ChatGPT is possible. Providing writing services for product descriptions might be a great daily earning option. If you are an expert in a certain field, you can use ChatGPT to help with ebook writing and layout. Self-publishing ebooks on services like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, enables you to profit from every sale with a daily royalty. Affiliate marketing entails advertising products or services in exchange for a commission on each sale made by your recommendation. ChatGPT can assist you in developing convincing and useful content that increases sales. You can create a daily income stream based on commissions by continuously publishing content that showcases affiliate products. Curating useful content from numerous sources and combining it into a newsletter can provide subscribers with daily insights. ChatGPT can help you summarize articles, analyze trends, and create newsletter material. You can monetize this effort over time by giving premium subscriptions or sponsored content spots. Fluency in various languages can lead to a steady source of income through translation services. ChatGPT can help with document translation, online translation, and even casual talks. Platforms such as 1 Hour Translation or offering freelance translation services might assist you in turning your linguistic skills into a profitable company. ChatGPT can be your co-author if you have a talent for creative writing. Collaborate with the model to create compelling short tales, novellas, or even video or podcast scripts. You may monetize your creative by self-publishing, Patreon, or collaborating with other content providers. Harnessing the power of ChatGPT to make money on a daily basis requires creativity, dedication, and consistent effort. By identifying the opportunities that align with your skills and interests, you can establish a reliable income stream. Keep in mind that while ChatGPT can provide valuable assistance, your unique expertise, human touch, and marketing efforts will be crucial in building a successful venture. As you embark on this journey, remember that adapting to changes, learning from feedback, and staying updated with the latest trends will be essential to sustaining and growing your daily income using ChatGPT.